What's up, guys? It's another day and another episode of Vibes with myself, Rejoice Ewodage, here again to serve you some of that hot entertainment tea you might have missed this week. Let's get right into it.
Just when many were starting to assume that the coronavirus is no longer out there, Nigerian rapper Ladipo and popular on-air personality Toke Makinwa have both separately revealed that they have tested positive for the COVID-19 disease. The Know You rapper disclosed his status via his Instagram stories on Wednesday, stating that he is only experiencing mild symptoms. On her part, Makinwa, who is the author of the self-evaluation book on becoming, believes that she might have picked up the virus from participating in the EndSARS protests last week. She narrated her ordeal in her vlog Toke Moments, describing it as a terrible experience which she doesn't wish for her worst enemy. Other Nigerian celebs who have battled with the virus include Davido's famous fiancé, Chioma, Peter Okoye of the now-defunct P-Square, and veteran actress Omotola Jalade Ekende, amongst others. Social media sensation Chris Clown has so much to be thankful for after surviving a fatal car accident. In a post on his Instagram page earlier in the week, the comedian shared a video from the aftermath of the car crash showing a totally shattered BMW. In a follow-up post, he revealed that he sustained some injuries, including a dislocated wrist and neck, but remained thankful because one of the other occupants of the car wasn't that lucky as he passed away from the accident. After weeks of dealing with piecemeal information on the controversy around the marriage of Nollywood actress Chacha AK, it appears like all is now well between the screen goddess and her filmmaker husband Austin Fani. Just weeks ago, the actress had announced that her marriage was over with a message that led fans to believe she might have been a victim of domestic violence. The talented actress would later post a video explaining that she was dealing with mental illness. In a new video posted on Instagram, it appears the couple might have sorted their differences. The actress revealed that she is pregnant with her fourth child, and every time she gets pregnant, she becomes triggered to do crazy things. Months after dancehall singer Cynthia Morgan returned from a hiatus, she has now signed a management deal with a top American entertainment firm, The Facilitator Management. The firm disclosed this in a statement on Thursday, saying they are excited to share Cynthia's magic with the world, even as the appreciation for Afrobeat keeps expanding. This comes on the back of the fallout between the German Juice singer and her former record label boss, Jude Okoye. Meanwhile, a source also told Vibes that the firm is ready to engage Okoye for Cynthia Morgan's royalties, which is an issue that has been a subject of intense controversy. And just before the number one spot is our honorable mention, and this week it goes to Burna Boy, who pays tributes to EndSARS victims on the BET Hip Hop Awards platform. During his virtual set at the 15th edition of the Black Entertainment Television Hip Hop Awards, the Grammy nominee and active EndSARS supporter dedicated his performance to victims of police brutality in Nigeria. He performed the politically charged Monsters You Made with Coldplay frontman Chris Martin from his Twice as Tall album. And to the top story on our trends this week. Even though the EndSARS protests have moved from street demonstration phase in Nigeria following an unfortunate incident at the protest venue at the Lekki Tollgate area in Lagos, the movement continues to gain steam even in the international space. Multiple award-winning American artists Rihanna, Nicki Minaj and Beyoncé have lent their voices to the movement on social media. Before Beyoncé came out to declare her support, many fans including Tiwa Savage had made numerous posts calling her out for staying silent. In a dramatic twist of events, Beyoncé's mother Tina Knowles, while empathizing with Nigerians, took a swipe at Tiwa in a lengthy post asking her to respect that Beyoncé and her family also deal with personal issues too. According to her, just because she's silent on social media does not mean she isn't supporting in other ways. While here in Nigeria, singer Falz, who has been one of the major voices in the movement, also paid tribute to the fallen heroes as he marked his 30th birthday. In music, the wait is finally over for fans of Nigerian superstar Wizkid, who has now dropped his highly anticipated album Made in Lagos. The album, which had earlier been scheduled to drop on the 15th of October, was finally released on Thursday, the 29th of October. The album features Burna Boy, Skepta, Her, and rising and enigmatic hip-hop baby girl, Tems. Grammy-nominated singer Burna Boy has also dropped a new track titled 20-10-20. The track addresses the recent unrest in the country and the events that led up to the infamous Lekki shootings, which occurred on the 20th of October. While the song captures the pain, grief and frustration that has overwhelmed many at this time, it also made a clarion call to the authorities to investigate and bring to book those responsible for the incident. Superstar DJ Neptune has featured 2020 Big Brother Naija winner Laycon on a remix version of his Joeboy and Mr. Eazi assisted hit track Nobody. While the new track titled The Icons Remix returns Joeboy, the Mophead reality show winner replaced Mr. Eazi on the new offering. And finally in music, Banky W has teamed up with 2Baba, Seun Kuti, Timi Dakolo and Waje on a new song titled Talk and Do. Just as the name implies, the song is a challenge to people to back their words with action as it relates to major issues around the world. Over to movies, Play Network Studios have announced that the remake of Amaka Igwe's 1994 crime thriller Rattlesnake is set to hit cinemas this November. Directed by Ramsey Noah, the film features Osasi Godaro, who plays the lead role, veteran actors Chiweta Lagu, Chinyere Winifred, Omotola and several others including BB Niger star Nengi Hamsin, who will be making her acting debut. Rattlesnake joins the growing list of 90s classics remakes such as Living in Bondage, Breaking Free and Glamour Girls.
And that's all I have for you this week. Indeed, it's still been a roller coaster of emotions, but surely we'll get right through this. If you like this video, please don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments below. Until I come your way again same time next week, stay safe and stay out of trouble.